Hi Kate and everyone over at PMV Custom Finishes. My name's Christian. I'm with RenGen SEO, local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence on your own. Three things we're going to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. Contrary to popular belief, a website can bring you leads in and of itself. And so three things: content, citations, and backlinks. The first being content. Content is king in the eyes of Google, and the more content you have, the more relevant you're going to appear and the higher you're going to rank. The magic number is 1,500 words on any page you're trying to rank. And also, content is not just the words on your website, it's also the pictures and how the pictures are saved, what's behind the pictures, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, etc. And so I actually went through your website, and a lot of these photos you have are just saved as like whatever the computer generated. So like not even a relevant word or anything like that. And so you're going to want to go in any of these pages and make sure first that you have 1,500 words at least. And I didn't put this through Word Counter, but I'm going to go ahead and say this is on your professional painting services in Portage and Kalamazoo, that we got less than 400 or 500 words. And you're going to want to bump that number up. And then also, you're going to want to be sure to save these photos as buyer intent keywords and not just whatever the computer generated. So go in, make sure all your photos are saved properly, and make sure you have the correct amount of content on any of these pages that you're trying to rank. So I would imagine a commercial is a pretty big market for you guys, and I'm sure you'd like to get more commercial jobs. Well, this is our commercial page, and I'm going to say less than 500 total. And then I don't know if these photos are saved right or not, but just go in, add some content, and make sure all your photos are saved properly. And that's going to help you rank organically with Google. The next thing is what we'd like to call a map pack. This is a Google map pack. I typed in Kalamazoo painters. What this has to do with is citations, and what citations are is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories, such as Facebook, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, just to name a few. Those give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack for the various keywords that you're trying to rank. So I typed in Kalamazoo painters, and then we got KZoo painters, A1 painting management, and Orbit Premier painting. I also typed in Portage, Michigan painters, and we got CertaPro painters, we got Van Toynen, we got Bridges. I didn't see PMV. And then the next thing is, if you're not here, you're definitely going to want to be down here in the organic search. And this has to do with the content. And then the next thing, backlinks. But first of all, citations, that has to do with this. Go ahead and try and get yourself some more citations, and that's going to help you rank. Over here, I have your map pack pulled up. A couple things I want to point out. Congratulations on the reviews. 4.9 with 18 reviews is good. Very good. Something to be proud of. But you're going to want to keep pushing that. So we recommend 25 reviews minimum. So keep pushing for that. And then next is your photos. I'm not sure how many photos you have in here, but you're going to want to go and log into your GMV next time you can and make sure that all your photos are saved properly. And I'm willing to bet that if they're not saved properly in your website, they're not saved properly here. So you're going to want to go in and make sure all your photos are saved properly. And you're going to want to just keep pushing those reviews. And other than that, you're looking really good in the GMV. Everything's filled out. So good job on that. And then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your URL is listed on other places. And so you actually have 190 backlinks coming from 97 referring domains. But one thing that's glaring out at me is that your domain rating is a 1.8 out of 100. And that's really low. And so the fact is, you have a lot of backlinks, but what happens is, if your backlinks are coming from places that are either not relevant or very spammy and ad-full sites, it's actually going to hurt you. And that's what's happening here. So you're going to want to go in. This is the tool we use called Ahrefs, A-H-R-E-F-S. You're going to want to go in and find out where these backlinks are and make sure to remove any backlink that's not relevant to your industry. And or spammy. So while you have 190, you're going to want to do that, because not all backlinks are created equal. Other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you implement these tools to bring in some more leads for yourself using your website. Because like I said, these guys, Kalamazoo painters, these guys right here, KZoo, they're getting the leads. They're hitting the phone button and they're getting the calls. And then as you can note, like right here, this freshcoatpainters.com, this actually isn't one in the map pack, but it's ranking organically down here. So they're actually getting some of that volume too. And that has to do with the backlinks and the content. Any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. Otherwise, I hope your 2021 is prosperous, and thank you for watching.